this out. This M2249 that you have. I'll save it for you, I guess. Alright. I got some spaces now.
Sweet.
Alright, let's do this shit.
Ready?
Are
you
ready
ready?
to park the... Gee, let's do this. Oh yeah, baby!
Get your adrenaline
I'm coming
up.
up here. Yeah, it does. This is crazy.
Damn,
They're gonna
that's
come in,
fast.
remember? Here they come.
We want to be up here?
I think so. I don't know.
This
Fucking
sounds pretty
skills, remember?
intimidating. Oh, I hit the pilot. Oh.
Oh, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I'm dead. Mm-hmm. Are they still running around there? Fuck, it's not letting me load this fucking assault rifle. I'm bringing it just in case. I'd like to load it, but it might get loaded outside. Get my stuff off the roof at least. Oh, I loaded the gun.
That crane?
Yeah, it's up on top of the crane.
I'm so fucked.
You alright? There's a fucking boat. You work tomorrow? Dude, if you go up and grab my big gun.
Yeah, it's like impossible.
Well, it's not. That's impossible.
So many guys up here.
Oh, dude, and I didn't eat anything before I left. I'm an idiot.
No cloth? I don't have any cloth.
I got cloth on my body up there.
Oh, he has a couple smoke grenades. Those ones that are grenade launchers.
You want me to go back and get gas or food?
Yeah, get as much shit as you can. I'm trying to hold.
Oh, here, I'm just actually gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna fly to heaven.
Where'd you go? Ah, you fucking fucker. I'm gonna kill all these guys. Oh, I got a fucking C4 off this guy.
Dude, that's all we needed.
That just made it worth it.
Yeah, that totally made it worth it, dude. That's what we were going for.
I can just survive.
They only got chicken and blueberries. I'll buy a bunch of fucking blueberries. There are 4,000 blueberries. how many fucking blueberries it takes to flip it much. Damn, blueberries help your health, dude.
Oh, you sneaky bastard.
M249, dude. There. Oh, dude, we got the C4. Ah,
Got it. There you are.
oh, you see me?
No, this guy. Holy shit. Yeah, I have like, I'm running out of resources.
Fuck, dude, I might just fucking swim my ass all the way out there. It's not letting me fucking get in here.
Alright, quiet. I'm lagging like a bitch. What the fuck, dude?
Dude.
Got him.
Yeah, it's not letting me look inside the box.
You're gonna make me
This
take
boat.
all these guys by myself. Oh, he had an armor on him. I got 7
Well, I'm just
shotgun
gonna swim my
rounds.
ass all the way there, dude. I'm swimming all the way out there, so here I come.
I got 2 syringes to my name.
I got 4,000 blueberries. I wonder if you can go to heaven from out there.
Go, 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 go. Gotcha, bitch. Dude, these guys fucking, they're hard.
Oh, the armored guys?
Yeah,
Dude, I got like
I have to get precise
3 of them.
shots on them.
But one fucking snuck up behind me and fucking shot me in the back of the head with a shotgun.
Yep.
You got the C4, man. Now we can make so much C4. Because I think... Oh, is this your stuff? This is your stuff, dude.
Yeah,
Where'd my stuff go?
it's up there. What the fuck? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Holy fuck, I'm down to 6. 5,
You got all your stuff up here.
20, fucking.
Ah, fuck, you got me. You got me. I was trying to put your shit back in your bag. God damn it.
Oh, I killed him with grenades.
Dude, grab all the shit.
Fucking dickhead. He had 2 syringes.
For me?
Oh man, dude, and yeah, he had enough enough, just let me fucking heal back up. I see ya. I see ya.
Yeah. Great.
I'm gonna take a photo. I'm gonna send this.
Dude, that was a massacre.
Your body's just full of flies. Oh. I just gotta find that explosive now.
Hey there.
Yeah, it smells like cat piss.
I'm good. I love cabbage. It's delicious. So I need clothes. I don't have no clothes.
I recorded though, Eric.
The whole thing?
Not the whole thing, like right when we started the box.
So you didn't get all my freaking awesomeness?
It'll be alright, I'll edit it.